And for the gyro, turning left, yeah, the poses it, turning right, yeah, and down, let's go up, let's go down. All right.
Okay.
But running out of excuses, set the timer,
Yep.
take off.
Yep. Perfect. Oh, it's very smooth. So is this one with the 40 in it?
That's the 40. It's quite quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, no, that 40 is a winner. It really is a nice motor.
Yeah. Now, I need to trim it out in the roll, but I'm not taking hands off the stick. Yeah, I just have to hold it in. It wants to roll left all the time, but I just can't trim it. Landing.
Oh, almost
On the firm.
might have missed the landing. Oh, well.
Oh.
I was watching the plane, not the camera, so I
Yeah.
may have missed the touchdown point.
Yeah, so that was a maiden of the 40.
Oh, well, that flew well. It's solid in the air. It looks
Solid.
far less jittery than the 30.
Yeah.
I think that's the...
Far more stable.
Yeah.
This is obviously the right size. The 40 mil
Yeah.
fan is a winner.
Yeah, that's much nicer.